Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can download PowerPoint presentation from popai. So let's go and do that. You will first need to use the AI presentation or AI create so that you create some presentation. Then when you are done, you can go here to the My Presentation and you will see AI generated presentation right here, which I created. Now I just made an example. So when you are, this is the editor mode. So here on the left side, you can write that AI will change in PowerPoint. And if you look here at the top, you will see download button. And if you click on it, you can select here download in PPT X. So as you can see, you will need the Pro subscription for that. But also you can see you can use PDF, and for PDF you will also need Pro subscription, which is kind of logically to understand. So for downloading PowerPoint presentation or PDF, you will need Pro subscription. So yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the